Let's see how to insert tie beams and strap beams in CYPE 3D. To do this, after clicking on the Foundations tab, we open the Foundation Elements menu at the top of the interface and select the New option. First of all, when selecting tie beam, a pop-up window appears. In the drop-down menu at the top, we choose the type of beam by means of its reference. The central viewer displays the dimensions and the longitudinal and transverse reinforcement associated with the selected beam type. After clicking Accept, we enter the beam into the plan, selecting the initial point and the final point of the beam with the left mouse button, with the help of the snaps on the starts and the previously drawn elements if required. If we select the following option, Strap Beam, we must specify whether the beam balances at origin or balances at end, by activating the corresponding checkboxes. We must activate at least one of the two boxes. If we do not wish to balance either of the 2 points, we will use a tie beam. Then, as in the previous case, we select the type of beam in the reference drop-down menu, and after clicking Accept, we draw the beam in the plan using the left mouse button. The origin and end of a strap beam depend exclusively on the order of data entry. Once entered, we can see that circular arrows are drawn at its connection with footings or pile caps. These arrows indicate that, at the end where they are drawn, the beam is balancing the load of the footing or pile cap in the direction of the longitudinal axis of the strap beam. Finally, we're going to click on Beam with Automatic Balancing at the ends, so the program automatically identifies the need for load balancing at the ends when drawing beams in contact with corner or edge footings. To do this, we must select an option in the reference drop-down menu for the tie beam and another in the same menu for the strap beam. After clicking Accept, we use the left mouse button to enter the beam into the plan in the same way as in the previous cases. In this case, the program will automatically use a tie beam if it is entered between two strap footings, and a strap beam if one of the points of the beam is in contact with a corner or edge footing, applying and displaying the balancing of loads at either end where necessary.